Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Mercedes-Benz A180 Progressive. Lowest depreciation on the market, super fantastic condition, and very nicely done up for you. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Even though this is a progressive spec, it's been fully converted to AMG. Comes with a very beautiful AMG front bumper with canards, super stylish, super sporty. I love this. Comes with AMG sport rims and even Brembo big brake kit. Very nice. Have a look at the side profile. We have a very nicely dechromed windows. Behind also we have a very beautiful GT spoiler. And even the rear bumper, also AMG, with a very nice diffuser and 4 tailpipes. Now, let's check out the boot space. Frankly speaking, for such a compact hatchback, the boot space is rather impressive. Can fit quite a lot of things inside here. And of course, the rear benches can be folded to increase for even more room. Now, let's close this. Behind, fairly spacious for rear passengers. Leather is in fantastic condition. Really, it looks like nobody sit behind before this car. And these buckets I'll show you later, but I want you to have a look. Very beautiful blacked out roof liner. Now let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice, stylish and sporty interior. First things first, 3-spoke steering wheel, full leather, very nice to hold, multifunctional with pedal shifters, full digital speedometer cluster integrated with your infotainment as well. Yes, this also comes with the Apple CarPlay. And reverse camera, super mega clear. Let's put it back to park. I really love the ambient light throughout the cabin. All this is carbon fiber here as well. Both seats are fully electric with memory settings. We have a nice AMG badging over here. And overall condition of the interior is really guys, super excellent. Have another look. Alright guys, if you're looking for a stylish hot hatch that's very nice to drive and in excellent condition, this could be the right unit for you. Lowest depreciation on the market on COE, we still have 4 years and 3 months left. Just nice for you to enjoy. And viewing for this unit is available daily in our showroom. You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.